legs, cosmetic addiction, modification, the woman of 1,000 faces. Let's get invasive, let's get real messed up. This is now weaponized love. Sharpen your faith, the trip is beginning. Superficial damage, fucking cute scar. Spark a smoke, return on. Something that's deep, I've been waiting forever. are sad, the sky is blue. There are monsters in the spare bedroom. Kids grow up and move away. They close the plant, then the mall arcade. Kids are sad, the parents too. Kids get high in the spare bedroom. We grow up and move away. The seasons pass, but the monsters stay. Kids are sad, the sky is blue. There are monsters in the spare bedroom. Kids grow up and move away. They close the plant, then the mall arcade. Kids are sad, the parents too. Kids get high in the spare bedroom. We grow up and move away. The seasons pass, but the monsters stay.
Ladies.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. Hi. Hi, Jay. How are you? Happy Saturday, y'all. Whew. Hi, pup. Thank you for the hello. I hope you have a lovely party and have a lot of fun. Hi, King. How are you? And Unicorn, hello. Congrats on getting here first.
Ladies.
Yesterday was so damn long, so I'm glad that I'm here and I'm upright. It's too hot. I saw that. I can't believe you tried to go for a walk or a hike. Was it a walk, but because it was 90 degrees, it turned into a hike? Any walk is now a hike. Hey.
Promises to be quite special.
Oh my gosh, I forget about that voice every time. So today is blue.
The twists, you don't see them coming.
Oh,
you don't see the titties coming. You
My
don't see any of it.
goodness. Hi, Ghoul. How are you? How are you doing? Thank you for the 50 biddies. I appreciate you so much. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Hi, Judy. Silent Judy, thank you so effing much for the raid. Are you kidding me? Hello. How are you? How was your night? How was the DBD? Did you get the blood points? Was everything bloody? I hope so. How are you doing? Thank you for the raid. That's so kind of you. Oh, you did Resident Evil, then DBD, but it was good. Ooh. Which, oh, you did Resident Evil 4. Is it your first playthrough, or are you just going through it again? I literally, like, just started stream, so we're only just getting going. But before I actually play, we're gonna do some work. And by that I mean we're gonna rank the DBD chase music for each killer, and we're gonna make a tier list. And it's gonna be fun. And we'll be listening to each of the killer's chase music as we go. And if anybody would like to make their own, they can feel free. I also wanted to say that I hope everyone is doing well and is being safe in this heat, and also there are some storms going on. I hope everyone's safe. Judy, it's your first time playing it. Ooh, how are you liking it? Is it tough? I haven't played any Silent Hill. Oh my god. I haven't played any Resident Evil games, but I've watched a little bit of it, and it seems intense at parts. Ghoul, is Resident Evil one of your favorites of the Resident Evil? I guess I can ask that to both of y'all. I love it. I'm also playing it on assist. I don't know what that means. Is that like a difficulty level? Is that like before beginners? Oh my god. The way I had like a little panic attack that I thought my stream was dying. That's actually OBS having trouble. Oh, it's easy difficulty. Gotcha. Then you got standard, which is normal, and then a hard one. You just lagged a little bit, but you haven't crashed. Okay, good. OBS did that thing where it like does that like vague foggy overlay because it was like not responding, and I was like, don't you dare. You've been on a re-addiction. Ooh, a Resident Evil addiction. I love that. You completed 2 and 3 on stream, and now 4. Love that. I got suckered in. I love that though. Do you have a favorite character? And why is it Ada?
Ladies.
Okay, so let's get into this because I'm so excited to do this again. It's Carlos. Ooh, I love that. You didn't understand until you played Resident Evil 3. Oh, interesting. I love that. Why does something have to be wrong with every stream? And why? Okay. So once again, if y'all would like to make your own tier list as we go along, feel free. We are going to listen to each of the chase musics as we go, and then we're going to get into some DVD action, okay? I love you all. Let's see. And also, Judy, thank you again for the raid. If you need to do any after stream care, please feel free. If you need to get up, stretch, get some food, what have you, please feel free. I really appreciate your rating. Judy, but I like Jill and Ada as females. They both so badass. I agree. I love Jill a lot. I sleep on her in DVD. That sounds weird. Judy, I'm definitely gonna go lay down. So sleepy. Sounds good. I hope you get some rest. I appreciate you. Thank you again for the raid. Okay. Of course, you guys have an amazing time. Thank you. Okay, so I restarted my tier list because of the shenanigans. So we're gonna start with the basic terror radius for Trapper. And we are gonna be doing the killers in order of release because that's what this has on the website. And then we have the ranks S through F. And this is all my opinion. I'm basing my opinion on like, what do you call it? Like, what chase music would I be okay listening to over and over? Does it give me a headache? Is it terrible? All of the things. Okay, let's get into it. So this is starting with like the terror radius, 32 meters, 16 meters. We're about to get into chase. It's fine. I wonder if my opinion is changing. It's Trapper. This is Trapper. We're starting at number 1. And I don't know. We're about to get into chase again. You know what it reminds me of? Like someone has like a metal rasp and they're rasping metal really hard. That's what I hear. I hate it. I don't actually hate it. Like I don't think that would give me a headache or anything like that. But I think I put it B last time. I'm putting that at the C. I don't know about that. I don't want to listen to that 5 times. For some reason, it reminds me of Malignant. Ooh, interesting. I could believe that. Oh, what? Oh, I need to rewatch that. Ugh. I have so many movies I want to watch, even though when I'm like, oh, what movie should I watch? I'm like, ugh, I have nothing. So the Wraith has the same terror radius as Trapper, right? He should get his own, to be honest, but whatever. Let's see. Billy. I feel like this is as far as we got last time. Oh no, we got to Nurse because I fucking hate Nurse. Her music's terrible. Can you please? How dare you? Okay, are we ready? So we're starting at 32 meters. It's very like, I don't know. It's got some heavy metal vibes. Okay, we're at 16 meters. Getting closer. Exactly, Jay. Literally, exactly. She could tunnel me out and I would be like, oh my god, that was so much fun. I wish I could run her better, even though I love Nurse. Okay, we're about to get into chase. I do like this. I do. I do. It's really not that bad. I like it. Whoops. I like it, but I don't love it. Like I don't think I would watch or listen to that constantly, but like being in chase with Hillbilly will not give me a headache. I'll be bopping. It'll be a jam, a hot jam sesh. The beginning is so quiet though. Is it? Should I play it again? Or do you just mean like in general? It really is. At 32 meters, it's like nothing. I like this part. It's very Jaws. The beginning is so quiet in general. I see. Gotcha. Where did you put yours, Jay? Did you rank Billy at 0? JK, JK. Okay, now we're back to Nurse. I hate it. Y'all. I can't. Ugh. I'm also on mobile, so I'm not listening with premium headphones. Gotcha. Don't worry. I'm sorry. But that means you don't hear my supple voice on mobile as well. Okay, let's start, Nurse. I just don't care for the bells. I'll say it right now. I don't think of Nurse and think of bells. Okay, we're gonna get closer. 16 meters. No. Sounds good, Jay. Well, I'm still gonna ask you your opinion on each single one of them. Like, who asked for more cowbell from Nurse? Okay, and then this is getting to 8 meters. Like, what is Nurse about this? They let me down so bad with Nurse. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. I always want it to just be over. Just end. Just end. God, she is literally, that's like one of the worst. I don't know if y'all remember Ghostface when they updated his and everyone hated it and they literally changed it and went with like Ghostface updated music part B, B-side. It's so bad. So bad. And it kind of gives Nurse's Chase music. Guess who's next?
Ladies.
It's Michael Myers. I don't understand why people hated Ghostface. I don't know either. Unless you're just thinking of the new Terror Radius. Which I'm not, I don't know. I just don't know. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Michael. Ghoul, if life had a Chase music, I would like mine to be Bicycle Race by Queen. I love it. I would love that for you and for, honestly, anyone would be lucky for that. Okay, are we ready for Mr. Myers? Because that's what his mama called him. That makes no sense. Anyways, let's go. This is getting closer. It could be so much better. We're getting closer. This sounds like you're at a railroad crossing. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. There's no difference. I just got a tornado warning. Let me double check what it says. Tornado warning in this area until 9:15. That's 45 minutes from now. Good thing I'm in the basement. But you know what, tornado, you better not get in the way of my gosh darn stream.
And sis, that's tea.
Jay, you said it was scary. It feels like you're in a horror movie. I agree with that. I do think it has good horror movie vibes. Ghoul, oh no, right? I'm sure my friend will come grab me if anything serious is happening. I hope they'd come save me. Where would I put him though? Like, it's not the worst, but it really does give me choo-choo train crossing. I must say I really like it when it's in chase versus the right before chase. This is the right before chase. Yeah, no. When are we ghost hunting again? Ooh, I hope we do it soon. I do. I was playing a bit the other day, and I got the weekly challenge done for the first time. I was so proud of myself. I'm gonna put him with Billy, because I think he could use an update, but it's not the worst. And we're specifically looking at the chase music, not the Terror Radius music. Ooh, Hag. I don't love Hags. I think, is hers also bells? Oh, did I say this, Jay? Thank you so much for the lurk. I hope you're doing well. Okay, let's do Hag. I do like her terror radius, like, as she gets closer. Getting closer. Hi, Raheen. How are you? I wanted to thank you again for the biddies last stream, and I'm sorry that I didn't get to, like, fully stream. But we are continuing our tier list. And we're on Hag. We're getting closer. It's okay, no worries. Well, I'm glad. And I just wanted to make sure you knew I was so thankful. Okay, we're getting closer. This is not even in chase yet. Okay, we're about to be in chase. Now. I actually like her terror radius better. Like, I don't like that very much. It's so noisy. And I don't know if it gives me swamp. You know what I mean? I don't know. But yeah, I think I would put Hag there. I'm glad you're able to stream now. Me too, Raheen. So far, so good. However, I did just get a notification from the weather service that there is a tornado warning in my area for the next 45 minutes. But yeah, just hoping that my internet doesn't go out for weather reasons. Hag is okay, but to me, bleh. Right? It's just not my favorite. It's not the best. It's just bleh. Oh my god. Doctor. Now, doctors I hate. I wish they would update that. But how am I doing? I'm doing well. I am still very tired from my day yesterday. For anyone who doesn't know, I was taking my mom to a cochlear implant surgery yesterday. And I basically just stayed up overnight because I had to be up at like 3:30 to go get her, and it was terrible. And then she had complications coming down from the anesthesia, and so she had to be admitted, and it was a whole thing, and yesterday was very long and stressful. Is she okay? She is. She was released from the hospital today.
Ladies.
And she is doing much better. Her pain is much more managed now, thankfully. Hi, Sophia. How are you?
Ladies.
I hope you're doing well. We're about to discuss how terrible the Doctor's chase music is. No offense, not to put any opinions in anybody's ears. Okay, this is from a distance. Since when does Doctor's chase music do this? Okay, we're getting closer. Oh my gosh! Raheen! Thank you so much for the 25 biddies. Thank you, thank you. You're so sweet. Okay, we're about to enter chase. Sophia, I'm good and playing games? Yes! Okay, again, now. It's not good. I don't like it. IMHO, not good. You welcome, buddy. Love ya. Love you too, Raheen. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being my friend. It's not good, and I do like Doctor. Right? Doctor's fine. I do kind of wish they would give his update, I don't know, like a visual update or like just like a contemporary update. I might put him with Nurse as much as I don't like Nurse. Huntress is regular chase music? Is that true? And so is Bubba, right? Can anyone confirm if they also think that's true? I'm pretty sure. You don't think Huntress is? Let's see. Huntress has the lullaby. Let's see. I'm gonna Google it. Does Huntress, or more like, what is the Huntress's chase music? Let's see, is this video lying to us? I do not recognize this music. It's Unicorn. I didn't even know some had different ones, so I'm no help. What? How could you not know? It seems like a lot of them are fan-made. I'm gonna go with she has the default music. So that's here. And I'm pretty sure Bubba is also. But I'll double check. Yeah. Ooh, we're on to the nightmare. Does Freddy... Is Freddy's basic? Because it's only giving me the lullaby. Freddy is basic? I do like the laugh. Welp. What about the pig? Are they like all basic? I know they're not, but I just can't believe there's so many. They need to get things together. Yeah, it's basic. That's so sad. Wesker's isn't basic. I know, that's true. Clown. Are you ready for some circus music? I just search cow. You know that cow killer? Okay. Gonna get closer. They lost the rights to Freddy, so they can't update him. Really? I didn't know that. Since when? Getting closer. Is that supposed to be Kate? Okay, we're about to enter Chase. Is this really the Chase music? Really? Wow. The way I like only recognize the Terror Radius. But the difference between Terror Radius and Chase music wasn't very big. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. Oh wait, no. What? There we go. I just don't hear it. I mean, I hear it, obviously. But I'm not like, wow, that's Clown. I didn't love it. I think I might actually put them on D. Don't be mad. Ugh, it's just not for me. But do I like it less than the basic theme? So far, that's the bar. Do I like it less than Hag? Sophia's so offended. Okay, let's do the spirit. Sophia, did you want to make a tier with us? I can give you the website. I do like the spirits, I think. Your boo-boo? Hell yeah. Okay. Her terror radius is creepy, I think. My tier is Wesker's on top.
Ladies.
Okay, we're about to get into 6-meter range. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. Ooh, I love this. It's so good. I love it. I really do.
Ladies.
Overclown? Yes! Yes, Overclown! Is there controversy in this chat tonight? Y'all are so funny. Spirit is a beautiful lady. This literally sounds like a higher pitched tag. What? 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 A higher pitched tag? I just do not agree with these statements you've made. I'm going back to Hag. Because I have the technology. Okay, this is her chase music. The Spirit Slander. Are you kidding me? Yeah, who are you now? What are you talking about? It's so different. That's so funny. Spirit's kind of an A for me. I don't care for Legions, but Legions is straight up like that's just like rock music or whatever. Which basically the Legion is next, so we're not listening to all of the add-ons though. It very much is. Raheen, Legions is better than Hag. No, that's the truth.
And sis, that's tea.
Okay. Here we go. Getting closer. Like, it's a bop. I will slander Spirit! Getting closer. Yeah. Raheen, I love y'all. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. I kind of wish the tempo was a little faster. The difference isn't that different. Sophia. Okay, let's try Julie's mixtape because they do have it all in one video. So I can't be that mad. This is Julie's mixtape. This is Joey's mixtape. Susie's. So far, I like Susie's best. This is Frank's. And then this one's called Fuming. The Fuming mixtape. It's a little discordant for me. This is Back to Susie's. And then let's go back to Julie's. Okay, I think I might be with Sophia. I think Julie's might be best. Back to Susie. Okay, back to Julie. I love that part. Okay, yeah, I do love that. Now I love Legion. Not the switch up. Oh, well, I'm sorry I agree with you, ma'am. I can't believe this. Yeah, it's kind of a bop. Is it S tier bop though, or is it A tier bop? I'm kind of thinking A tier bop. But I would listen to that. Yeah, I would listen to that. Maybe not by choice, but if I was being chased by a killer, perhaps. Okay, who's next? Plague. I think Plague is basic music, right? Not basic. Basic, but like default. Y'all know. Yeah, basic. S tier does belong to Wesky. I love Wesker's chase music, but also I love Deathslinger. We're on to Ghostface. Okay, I want to show y'all what the music was going to be when they updated it and everyone revolted. Getting closer. Oh, I miss it. I loved this. Okay, getting closer. Respectfully, no. It's horrible. And this is only 8 meters away. This isn't even the chase music. Okay. We're about to enter chase. It's like turn it off. Okay, entering chase. What were they thinking? I can't believe they ever released that. Ever released that. Okay. Sophia! Sophia loves that. Well, good for you, Sophia. Unicorn. That was Ghostface's previous... It's like... Ghostface got updated music and everyone hated it, and that's what we just listened to. And so the developers went with like Ghostface's updated music B-side for the actual music that we have now. But that was what they were going to do with Ghostface. I like the Terror Radius. I didn't like the actual chase music. Let's see. This was the Terror Radius. And then you get closer. See, this part I like. This part I like. But then when it gets to this next part, which is only 8 meters away, it's not even the chase music. What is this? And then we're about to start the chase right now. It's just, it's too much. And I'm sorry if you're playing it again, Raheen. But now we're gonna get into actual Ghostface. Damn! Raheen's coming for you. Okay, we're getting closer. I do like the horns. Like, it's very trumpet or trombone. Okay, so they kind of kept this part, right? Okay, we're about to get closer. Okay, I do love the strings. I do. I do. I do. Okay, we're getting closer to Chase right about now. It really is so much better, isn't it? It really is. It's so much better than that previous one. But where do we put it on the tier list? The actual chase music is kind of boring compared to like the strings chase Terror Radius. Yeah. Boring. I'm gonna put it with C with the default chase music. Who's next? Demogorgon! Ooh, I love Demogorgon. The OG one should have stayed. People were so mad. They were like, kill switch it. Like, that was before the kill switch existed, but they were like, kill it now. Okay, are we ready for Stranger Things? Which is, honestly, I do really like it. This is the Terror Radius. Getting closer. Closer. Okay, we're about to enter Chase right about now. I do like it a lot. Let's do it. I do really like it. I don't think I'm gonna... Do you... I don't think it's S tier, Sophia. I don't know about that. I do really like it, though. Raheen, do you think it's S tier? I kind of put it with, like, Michael Myers's and Hillbilly. Like, I like the Terror Radius better. Sophia, I kind of agree with you. Wait, no. I don't know. I think I could put it in A. I don't know about S. But, the Terror Radius is better than Spirit and Legion. But when it gets to the chase music... Yeah, I'm putting it in B. You're gonna jump through the screen and tackle me. Ooh, we're on to the Oni. I think Oni has good music. Same here, Raheen. Same here. Sophia, I love you. Okie dokie. Oni time. Such good terror radius, too. Also, after this one, there'll be an ad. She will be killing all of us. Fortnite or not, it's on. Well, I never agreed that it was maybe S. I did maybe agree that it was A. Okay, closer. Below the 2-note spirit music is crazy. 2 notes? That's blasphemy. Okay, getting closer.
Ladies.
Okay, we're about to start chase. There it is. See, now that's chase music. That's better than the terror radius. Am I right? Or am I right? Ladies.
Ladies.
Okay, we're about to enter chase again. It's so good. I would go on a run with this, you know? I'm like, I'm being chased by the Oni. I don't know why, but I would. Okay, so where do we put him though? See, now is Sophia gonna be mad if I put that above Stranger Things? Sophia, don't hate us. Don't hate me because my opinions are beautiful. I love it so much. You say A? Me too. Me too. Because, like, I could listen to that for a while. Unicorn, that's tough. Sophia, would you make it S? Hi, Allie. How are you? Happy weekend. I hope you're having a lovely, lovely weekend. Thank you. I hope you're doing well. We also are about to have an ad, so I hope I hope it doesn't take you out immediately. No demo would be S. But like also Allie, we are currently what do you call it? Ranking the killer chase music. And if you would like to join, you are fully free to join. This is the website we are using. You can make your list as we go as well. Taking a break from trying to adapt your survivors. Adapt, dang, good on you. Good luck during the anniversary event. Good luck. I will send you positive surviving thoughts. Ooh, that's fun, right? Right now we have some hot opinions going on. There's been some controversy with the fact that I put demo at B tier. You've done 14 already? The way I have no adepts done because I'm scared and it looks hard. And so far my favorites are Spirit, Legion, and Oni. And then we just got done with Ghostface, and I was showing everybody the Ghostface Terror Radius and Chase music that they were going to do, but everybody in the DVD community revolted and was like, you take that Chase music and you shove it. And that's how we ended up with Ghostface's Chase music today. Unicorn, I'm still over here wondering how I have never noticed these in game. I guess I'm always too scared from being chased. Probably. Because that is so funny. I'm like over here having a jam session while I'm in Chase. Hi, Zach. How are you?
Ladies.
Allie, I keep dying, so I figured I'll gamble on a nice killer. LOL, adepting during an event is in solo queue. You are brave, my gosh. Good luck to you. I'm glad you're taking breaks. Okay, let's keep going. We just finished Oni. Let me play it for 5 seconds. And we put him at A tier. Lori is impossible. Talk about perks that do not help you throughout the game. Like, they really don't help you one way or another until the end. Oh my gosh, we're on my favorite. Yeah, so I can imagine how tough that is. My goodness. Okay. Also, I love this song. It's like a lo-fi version of the water levels on Mario. Okay, Death Slinger. It's so good already. Okay, we're getting closer. Also, y'all, if you're not following Allie, please. Getting closer. It does have that Western vibe to it, right? Okay, we're about to enter Chase. It's so good. I love it. I could listen to this like forever. Sophia, what do you think about this? Is this like F tier to you? Do you hate it? Are you done with us? I have to listen to that again. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. She hates it, right? I know it. She's probably in game right now or something. She's not even listening. She's so done with us. Allie, it's C tier for you? What? I can't believe that. I could take it or leave it. Really? That is interesting. That is very interesting to me. Like, that is my top of the list right now. Like, I love it. While I'm in Chase, I'm just strumming to my banjo. I say S. Aw, thank you, Raheen. I appreciate that. It's Also, I am actually, like, obviously not actually offended. Everyone can have their opinions. Okay, who's next? Pyramid Head. Which, Pyramid Head, now that's another bop. His is really good. But they also have a very good, Terror Radius. Allie, guess I'd have to hear more. In game, I don't actually listen to it. Fair. I mean, Unicorn is over here being like, I didn't know there were Terror Radiuses and chase music at all. Unicorn goes into a fear fugue state. Whoops. Also, whoops. Okay. Let's do Pyramid Head. He is such a good, Ellie, you also go into a fugue state. A fear fugue state, not that. And yet you're over here being like, but what about this adept challenge for every single survivor? What kind of instrument is that? Oh, you knew there was music, you just thought it was all the same. Ding dong, ding dong. Okay, we're getting closer. Oh, that's good. Synthesizer? Maybe that's a good... Probably, now that you say that. Okay, we're about to start chase. I love it. Let's do that again. About to start chase. Like, I love any chase music that starts with like a beat drop, okay? I do really like it. Do it one more time. About to start chase. It's really good. Ugh. I think I might put it A. So right between Raheen and Allie. Cause it's kind of giving me Legion to me. And not in the way that it's like rock, but it's like it has that vibe. I don't know. It has an A tier vibe. Go through the whole list and then re-listen to them all. True, and I'll be like, all of these opinions are wrong. Ooh, we're on the Blight. I don't think I could tell you what the Blight's chase music is. Here it goes. Legion has some good tunes. Can always tell it's them. 100%. And we actually went through... Because they also included, like, the mixtapes. So we agreed that Julie had the best mixtape chase music. Okay, we're getting closer. This might be one of the most horror of them so far. Like, this is giving horror movie. Okay, we're getting closer. It's very creepy now that I'm like hearing it. Okay, we're about to start chase. Now. I remember this. I kind of think his terror radius is creepier than the actual chase music. I might put this in B. Let me go back to the... Okay, about to start chase. Yeah, I think I'm keeping him... It's so tough. It really is. I'm gonna put him in A. Hi, Pirate. How are you? We are currently ranking the Killer Chase musics, not their terror radiuses. Because, man, do I have different opinions about their terror radiuses. I hope you're doing well. If you're gaming, I hope your games are going super. Did you go back to playing League of Legends? Also, for anyone who would like to join and make their own tier list, there's what we're using. And we just finished doing the Blight, and I put Blight in A tier with Pyramid Head, Spirit, Oni, and Legion. We have some hot takes in here tonight. We got some fiery opinions. Ooh, a Polyrath. I love that. Oh, we're on to twins. Oh, I don't know about twins. Do I like twins? A Polyrath is kind of dope. How many other tier lists have I made? 0. I haven't made any. This is my first time, and it's literally because somebody posted this on Twitter with their opinions, and I was like, I disagree with so much. Flames on the side of my face. F cause twins. Wow, not the twins hate. We love Victor. Especially when Victor helps with gens. A Survivor Scream ranking. That's a great idea. Let me just write that down. With the weather, Grandma and my mom's cousin came over for a bit. Okay. That is a good one, right? What did we just say? Oh yeah, tier list for Survivor Screams, because if I don't write it down, I'll forget. Jane is number 1. Well, what are we ranking it based on? Is it like our favorite screams, or is it the loudest? Is it the most intense scream? Is it which scream sounds like they're in the most pain? How about that one? Because for that, maybe I would say Yoonjin. Oh yeah, we're doing twins. What am I doing? I was almost moving on to the next one because Allie's opinions were so strong. Allie, I love Victor. I give him a tour. It's his sister. I just like true. Charlotte really is a party pooper. Raheen, I don't know about that. Pirate, remember when Elodie Scream was destroying the Nintendo Switch? Yes, I do. Good times. Good times. Okay, this is twins. Getting closer. I like the terror radiuses. Almost always better. Okay, we're getting closer. Okay, about to enter Chase. It's not the worst, but I don't love it. That's creepy too, I agree. She has a really good terror radius. We're about to enter Chase. It's giving me Insidious, if anyone's seen that movie. I like it, but I don't love it. You would say D or C. way Sophia loved the clown, and I was like, let me put clown at D. D or C, it's true. Do I like it better than Hag? No, I like it better than Hag. So I'm keeping it in C. But not B, if that makes sense. It's minusculely better than Hag, I think, for me. Oh, Trickster! Yay! Trickster has good music all the time. Okay, are we ready? This is Trickster. I love it. Like, going against Trickster has kind of made me not like it, but I like it. Okay, getting closer. Ugh. It's so good. It's giving Descent into Madness. Okay, we're getting closer. I love it. I wish this is kind of what Doctors was like. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. This is kind of giving the Ghostface music. It's only during this part that I like it. Okay, let's go back. We're about to enter Chase. Yeah, the actual Chase music, I just don't think so. Raheen would say A or B. Interesting. For the actual Chase music? I don't think I'm there. For the actual Chase music, I might put it with Clown. Maybe, yeah. I don't know. It's like... yeah, it's not. It's too noisy, and there's not enough, like, differentiation between anything. Except for that, like, I don't know if it's violin or what. We're on to Nemi-Nems. All of the Resident Evil ones are kind of just, like, a bop. That's not even what Leon looks like. Sorry. I know y'all can't see that. Okay. This is Nemi-Nems. Getting closer. Yeah. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. Right now. See, now this one has levels. Like, you don't like it as much, Raheen? That's totally fair. I just like that it has more layers, more levels to the Chase music than Trickster's. I'll say that. I'm gonna put it with Stranger Things. Hellraiser. Oh wait, the Hellraiser? That's not its name. Is their name the priest? What is their name? Oh, it's Pinhead. What am I thinking?
Show me the gay.
Oh, they're called the Cenobite. I should have known that. The Pinhead. What was I thinking? Okay. Well, in Hellraiser, they're known as the priest, I think. Like they're the priest of hell or something. A priest of hell. I don't know. Maybe none of that's true. Maybe. I don't know. I hear nothing. This is also giving horror movie. Okay, getting closer. I love this. It's so horror movie. It literally is giving me anxiety. Okay, we're getting closer. It gets intense real fast. Okay, we're about to be in chase. I don't love it. I think I would put that with Trickster. Whoops, I just moved what's her face? The nurse, and how could I do that? Raheen, you agree? Wonderful. It's just too noisy. And I think it's because of that last thing before the chase. It's very... Yeah, I don't know what that is. It's like trumpets. Okay, we're doing the bird lady next. The artiste. Now, the artist has one of my favorite terror radiuses. It gives me Jaws, I think. And it probably has nothing related to Jaws, but it just gives me Jaws. I don't know. Bird lady. Yeah. The shark is coming. It's so good. Okay, we're getting closer. Pinheads was also very quiet. I love this. Okay, we're getting closer. It almost doesn't sound like you're in chase yet. But that was the chase music. Okay, we're about to get into chase again. I do like it a lot. I like it. I think I agree with you, Raheen. I'm putting that with A. Yeah. Ooh. Up next is one of my favorites, Sadako. Okay. Okay. Are we ready for Miss Sadako, Miss Anrio? Hi, Benji. Thank you for the lurk, friend. I hope your stream is going well. If anybody isn't following Benji, feel free. I love her terror radius so much. Getting closer. It goes so hard. Okay, we're getting closer. I love it. It just reminds me so much of the movie. And Raheen, I couldn't agree with that more. Okay, we're about to go. Chase. I love it. Okay, we're about to get into chase again. I would not fault anyone for saying it's too noisy or too whatever. I am putting it in S. I love it. I love all the terror radius. I love all the music. I'm obsessed. I love it. And I'm not, like, I cannot tell if it's because it's actually good to me or if it's like I have such a love of the lore, source material, what have you. I love it. But Raheen, putting yours in A, I respect that and I agree with that, okay? I'm not saying it couldn't ever be A. I just love it. It is so good. They just got it so good. Oh, next is Dredge. Okay, Dredge is next, and I don't know how I feel about the Dredges, so let's find out. Okay, we're getting closer. I do like this. Okay, we're getting closer. That's where I'm like, oh, that's the Dredge. I kind of don't love it as much. Okay, about to enter chase. I don't like it very much. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Entering chase now. Nope, not now. Just kidding. Okay, now. I almost think it would be better with a different killer. I think the Dredges should be slower and creepier. Raheen, you would say B? Interesting. I think I'm going to put it in C. Unicorn, you would say D? Ooh. That might be... No, I think I would rather listen to that than Trickster. I'll say that. Ooh, next is Sophia's favorite. Will Wesker make it to S tier? We just don't know. Are y'all ready for Weskin time?
Ladies.
Okay, let's do it. Raheen, B or C? I agree. I can understand that for a Dredgy boy. I love how bombastic his is. Like, he has some drums. Okay, we're about to get close. Like, I would be like, yeah, this is good chase music. But you're not even in chase yet. Okay, we're about to enter chase. It's so good. I wonder, like, did they just lift it from the games? I love how bombastic the terror radius is. We're doing it again. Ooh, Raheen, what are you saying? What's your opinion? Oh, you say A? I could believe that. That's tough. It's so good. Do I like it better than the Bird Lady? That's tough. I think I might say S. It's tough. Like, I do not blame you if you say A. It's rough. Rough decision. Not a rough song. Next is The Night. Okay, ready? Getting closer. Getting closer. I did not know this was his terror radius. That's familiar. It's so loud. Okay, about to enter chase. I like it. I don't know. It's like I almost don't like his terror radius more than I don't like the music. I think I might say C for that. Oh, you like it enough for B? No offense. Yeah, I don't know if I like it enough to be with Nemesis and Stranger Things. Ooh, Unicorn, you would say D. Interesting. I don't think I'm there, though. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't like it as much. That is totally valid. I don't love it, really. But it doesn't, like, kill me. Like, The Nurses does. I was like, did the Skull Merchant even come out with Survivors? Yeah, she did. My fave, Thalita and Renata. Okay. Now we're on Skull Merchant, ladies.
Ladies.
Okay, we're getting closer. Oh my god. We're getting closer. I don't like it. I think this should be Hag. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. I don't like it either, Raheen. And I still kind of think it should be for Hag. I don't like it. I would put that with Trickster. Like, I don't even want to listen to it. But it's not as bad as Nurse. Don't like her and don't like it. Agreed. Ooh, next we're on Singularity. The Singulacy. Okay, let's do this. Getting closer. This is legit. It's also giving horror. Okay, getting closer. Now it sounds like Singularity. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. It's fine. It's very close to being overwhelming and too much. Very close, if not there. B or C, not going any higher. Fair. Yeah, I don't think I would go over C. In all actuality, C. Did I already place the Singularity out there? Oh no, there they are. I think I'm gonna put them in, hold on. Let me do it one more time from Chase Terror Radius. I'm gonna put it in C. Agreed. Ooh, Xenomorph. I think I like Xenomorph. Okay, here we go. Getting closer. Oh, I love it. You like instantly know it's the Xenomorph. Getting closer. It's so horror radius horror movie. Okay, we're about to start Chase. It's so good. Okay, we're gonna start Chase again. I love it. I think I would put it in A. I don't want to listen to it like I do Wesker's. Oh, the way I just put it in S. A tier. Unicorn, hey, I recognize that one. That's how much terror it strikes into you, isn't it? We're on to Chucky. The good guy. Whoops, that's the menu. We could also rate the menu music. Raheen, you can keep it an S. I love that for you. Okay, here's Chucky. Getting closer. You probably recognize this one too, Unicorn. Getting closer. It picks up real quick. Okay, we're about to enter Chase. I like it and also don't like it. Let's try that again. I think it might be B for me, or maybe C. Damn. I wish I liked it more. I think I'm gonna go with that exact same thing, Raheen, at a C tier for me. I probably don't because I usually try to play with Chucky instead of Run. I love it. Ooh, we're on to the unknown. We're almost done, can you believe? Okay. Getting closer. It's kind of creepy. This is horrifying. Getting closer. About to start chase. I don't like it. Yeah, not for me either, Raheen. I might put that in D. Same! Twinsies. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time from Terror Radius. About to start chase. I don't like it. No, it's a no from me. And we're on to the last one. The Vecna. Just kidding. The Lich. Okay. Last and final killer for now. Vecnissy. Getting closer. I love that Terror Radius. Getting closer. They've ruined it. Okay, we're about to start chase. I like the in chase a lot better than that before chase. It's awful. Okay, we're about to start chase again. For the actual chase music, I do like it. The tear radius kind of sucks. I'm gonna put it... I'm gonna put it with Nemesis. Damn! Y'all are not into it. That's valid. Is it shocking that I like it so much? I hate this. This is awful. Okay, chase music starting now. I don't know. I don't know why I like it. I do, though. I do. I do. Y'all, this was so much fun. If you made a list, feel free to post it in the Discord. I loved this. Thank you, buddy. Of course. Thank you for joining me for it. I was so utterly bummed that I couldn't do it the other day. Because I was having so much fun when we started this. We got to do more of this? Absolutely. I would love to. It was so much fun. And I absolutely agree with, I think it was Pirate God, who said it, but we'll have to do the Survivor Screams. But like, there's so many things we could do. We could do like ranking survivors' clothes, ranking their attractiveness, ranking how much we want to marry them. Oink. Survivors next, absolutely. So that was wonderful. Thank you for joining me for that. We are going to switch on over to DBD for a while. Hold up. Let's try that again. There we go. Nice fade. Very cute. Okay. Anyone's really free to join me if you would like to play. I am not doing anything specific or very exciting, so. Whose name is just Beans? I love that. Also, I have decided to be different than everybody else because I am a unique flower. But instead of P100ing somebody or anything else, I decided I want to get like 10 anniversary cakes on everybody, every survivor, every killer. So that's my ridiculous challenge for myself for this event. Why is that there? What was the website for the tier list? There you go. Did it work? There we go. I am tired. Y'all, don't stay up overnight. Don't do it. I mean, I know sometimes it's necessary and sometimes you have to do things, but there is no such thing as a sleep debt. You cannot pay it back. Not sleeping only hurts your body, and you should be nice to your body. Thank you, Unicorn. Of course, of course. If you make one, please let me know what y'all do. Or post it in the Discord, please. I can't stop yawning. I'm sorry. I know I'm not helping.
Shoot. I forgot what I was gonna say.
Oh yeah, let me knock this down slightly. Whoa. Have a good night, buddy, and take care. Love you. Have an awesome stream. Thank you so much, Raheen. Thank you for being here and hanging out and helping me with the tier list. I am so glad you were able to make it tonight so we could actually do it this time and not just have it be like every 30 seconds, maybe I can get one word in edgewise. But have a good night, Raheen. I love you, buddy. Sleep well and have a lovely Sunday. Oh my god, unicorns and Allie, speaking of twins. I can't believe we got twins first game. Oh, they're seashells. I never knew what his mask was. Wow, Engineer Beast. Why would you do these things? P-Diggs comes back on Sunday. I am so excited. I like your mask. Love you, twins. Yeah. I forgot I brought this. I hope she liked her tunes. I have yet to roll a 20 with that. Oh my goodness, why is everyone giving up? Oh, maybe that's why. Oh, I really thought they would come here. Guess not. Also, Ghoul, if you're still lurking or anything, you should message me the next time you do play Phasmo. I would love to join. Where is this happening? Oh. don't understand what the other thing is on his mask. I don't know. Not the merciless storm!
I wonder why. In here. Now. It's crazy when you think about it.
Hi, Claudette. Oh no. You know, this twins could not. And we could all get some points, but... Oops, I'm so sorry. Wow. Really? She has to slug? Well. Come on, 4% when I don't want to. There we go. Bummer. That could have been a fun game. At least I got one gen done. That's kind of shocking, to say the least. I think I'm gonna run to the bathroom and grab some more water. Before the next one. Wait, how much? 50? Nothing. Philly cheese rules. Good for you. I don't like Philly cheese. I don't like Philly steak anything. How come it's Philly cheesesteak and not Philly steak with cheese? You know, it's not like we say cheeseburger. It's burger with cheese. Just kidding. I just talked myself out of my own argument. Oopsies. Got beans. Oh, also, y'all, are you kidding me? I knew I would forget if I didn't do it at the beginning. Also, hi, Gears. Thank you so much for the water redemption, my sweet. I wanted to remind y'all about the charity stream that I'm going to be a part of. It is this coming Friday. And it's hosted by my friend Cookie of a Toasty Cookie. Toasted? Toasty. I can't believe I wrote that wrong in there. But yeah, Toasty Cookie hosts it, and I will be playing games with them. And if y'all can make it, that would be great. If not, that's okay. But it's next Friday, and they'll be streaming for 24 hours, but I'll be there on Friday playing some games. Okay, I'm gonna run to the bathroom, and then I shall resume the games. BRB! I've been booped as well. Thank you. I love you, Goth. I hope you're doing well. How have your streams been?
Ladies.
Okie dokie, I am back. Goth, you said good, just relaxing mostly, but they were nice. Well, I'm glad they were nice. I hope you're doing your countdown, and I hope the countdown is going well. Are you so excited? Maybe I'll play a killer round or something. You'll get him back in 2 more days after it hits midnight? Hooray!
Ladies.
That's so exciting. Trail of Torment. What's happening? Oh my gosh. I haven't done this. I'll do that. I haven't done any of those community challenges yet. I don't know what I want to run for the last perk. It seems quiet today, doesn't it? Do you mean on DBD? Or do you think I'm quiet? Because if you think I'm quiet, it's because I'm tired. I am very tired from yesterday. In general, from DBD and Twitch, maybe a little bit. It is quiet for being like a weekend. I'll say that. There he is. But I wonder if it's because it's so hot and miserable out for a lot of people. And then, I don't know, the Midwest is being hit with a bunch of storms, and that's... I hope everyone's being safe out there. I never got water. I forgot.
Hey, you cheated. Just kidding.
Just kidding. I'm gonna go to this one. Again. I heard a lot of people are getting sick. Ooh, sick with what? How saw them? I don't like that. Why are people bringing object of obsession? Oh, I thought I missed and hit the wall. There we go. Oh, just colds and stuff? Gotcha. I knew one person recently who was, who had COVID, so I was hoping it wasn't just a bunch of COVID going around. But I hope everyone feels better. Hopefully it's not too laggy for y'all. Because like with these blinks, I do not see the actual hits. I hear the sounds that I got the hits, but then it's like glitch, glitch. Nah, it's not laggy at all. Ooh, okay, good, good, good.
Let's just say the sweet darkness is pleased.
It's like frame laggy for me. I don't have two blinks. There we go.
Yeah, I'm just not saying anything.
There we go. If she hadn't dropped the pallet, I probably might not have hit her. Ah! Where do you think you're going? Also, I heard rumors that they were... Hi, Adam. I like his name, Mad Scientist, and he's playing Adam. Goth. Also, I heard rumors that where I live is gonna have bad storms, so I hope they're not true. We just got some bad storms here, so if you get bad storms, I hope you're very safe. Oh, it's this guy. The guy who's too fried. Oh, I can't believe that didn't hit him. That was an accurate blink. I'm not even going for kills, don't worry. Gen rushing in my game? Where'd they go? Not in the salad, right? Can you believe that? I have no idea where they went. But Whispers is on. And y'all know I'm a slut for Whispers. There she is, or whoever that is. What? Oh, it's the mad scientist guy. Oh. Whoa. That was some laggy lagson. Goth, one of my favorite perks, right? And I know that there's people who get confused and think it's like a bubble, but I think of Whispers as a, what do you call it? Whispers is a cone. No, it's a cylinder. Bam. Ooh, that was a good blink. I just wish it wasn't so laggy.
Oops. I wouldn't hang around here too long.
Yum, 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 yum. If there's a perk that I'm addicted to, it's Whispers. It's not even, barbecue. He's not dead, right? I hope not. Okay. Now, where's the other guy? I'm looking for Alan, I think. Mr. Wake. You are fabulous, and there's all the hype Amandas. Aw, thank you. You're the best. What's his face? Where's Alan Rickman? Gears, you're so sweet. Are you having a good weekend overall? Yes, you are. Good. Someone made a comment to me today that made me almost cry. In a bad way or like tears of joy? Tell me where Alan is. Or give me death. Yes, check back over here. Is that Alan? It's Alan. I found him. Where are you? Come back. What? I can't believe I didn't go through those small little rocks. Teeny, 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 tiny. Okay. Goth, they think the silliest thing... Oh, wait. They think the silliest thing that I one day will hit partner, and it felt so wholesome. You know what? I was there for that. And they said that, you know what, Goth? You blew up overnight to affiliate. You think you're not going to get partner, and I agreed with them, and I wish I had. set it because you deserve it. I think we got everyone to second hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Damn it, making me feel so wholesome all over again. You deserve to feel wholesome, happy things and encouragement and all of the things. All of the things. Wow, there's been a lot of threesomes. Oh, I can't go kick it. Can I break this? Hello? How come I can't use my power though? Did he take his flashlight back? Whoops. Don't. Oh, he didn't. You suck. It's not how it goes. You need to wait. There we go. Goth, I made a deal with them. LOL. If I ever hit it, I shall do a face stream. Ooh, that's cool. I love that that was your agreement. Ah, my face. Is there no pallet up here this time? Interesting. I'll be... There's nobody even here for me to do backwards walking. Lame. You try to do the moonwalk and nobody cares. If you moonwalk and nobody's there to see it, did you even moonwalk? Oh my god, the slow turn. I love it. Meow. 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 Yeah, I love you. One little kiss from Felix. I'm glad to be able to see you streaming. I've been all over lately and missed a few. Do not worry. I was sad because my Wednesday actually got canceled because of internet issues, and I thought it was very homophobic of the internet to be like that during Pride Month. Also, I don't know if you were here earlier, but I was talking about my, like... I'm not going to P100 people, but I decided to do... like a challenge where I want 100, no, oh my god, 100. I want 10 anniversary cakes on each character, which is gonna be hella hard, but I want to do it. Keep on. Do it. I'm trying. I have only started buying people on, what do you call it? On Survivor, but I'm making progress. I'm up to, I think I'm through, is it Bill? I need to see now. I think I have Bill. Yeah, he has 10. You endorse this? Yay! I think it's a fun challenge. Let's see, Lori has none. Okay, so I think I'm on David. Oh no, I'm on Lori! Yay! That's exciting. Also, Goth, you missed it earlier. We were rating Killer Chase music. And I think people, some people, quote unquote, Sophia, were shocked by my choices. Raving to Killer Chase music. Oh, hell yeah. Right? I did rate Legion pretty high because Legion does have good Chase music, I must say. But like the saddest thing is that I rated, raving. Yeah, sorry. I meant rating on a scale of 7 to 7. No, I'm just kidding. It was like a scale of like S tier, A, B, C, D, E. I think it was actually A, B, C, D, F, and then S tier at top. I love how I didn't question it. Well, some of the music is raveable, okay? You can rave to some of it. Not all of them. Some of them are big turds. Let's see, where are we at? Nothing. 5. Okay. 6. Oh no, I missed one. I didn't even see it. But then there was like Unicorn in the chat who was like, I thought all the killers had the same terror radius. I mean chase music. Rise somehow with you. Can you hear me call your name? Ooh, we're down to ace now. Oh, there's so many. That's so depressing. To raise them hell with you. I am not playing Trapper, by the way. Don't get your stories twisted. I can't believe they raised it to 20. At least for the killers, it's all offerings because they don't have anything else for this for killers. Ooh. I want to see if lowering the graphics helps at all. Astronaut JAL. I'm here to tell you if it does, you're the best. Pantry. Grim panties. Gosh darn it.
Wonder what it's all for.
P.S. Your music is banging. Thank you. I love Gunship. Gunship is amazeballs. Meow. Especially that song. I've been really into that song today, specifically. Got you. Sucker. How dare you? Damn it! That was lag. Does it look less laggy? Interesting. Aw. Come back. I just want to hook you. There we go. It actually does look less laggy. It will still have these dips, but I don't know. I don't know why. Why the dips?
You got tricks. Get it?
Get it? Meow. Should I go for the Michaela or for the person who went over here? Hi. My goodness, she is wiggling.
They're forecasting rain. Rain and blood with a chance of falling.
Meow. Goth, my friend's having the same issue where weather and stuff is good, but their internet just keeps lagging, even crashing. Yeah, I don't understand. Why did it have to be like that? Where is she going? Bye. You gotta go through the middle of the boxes because that's where the hitbox is thinnest. I wonder if restarting my game will help or what. Oh, there you are. Smash, smash, moo, boo, 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 doo, 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 doo. Yeah. I need to kick Jens. Where do people hide in here? I have to kick it anyways for my challenge. Anybody in here? Anybody over here? How about over here? Meow. Oh, I saw her. Haha, I saw your foot. Loser. Whoa, that was weird. Did she use dramaturgy or was that just shenanigans?
Not bad. You could be.
Oh, that's what's her face again. Oh, so close! Whoa, we're so fast. Meow. Beep beep. Oh. It could be an American internet thing because I got no lag here in Canada. It could be. Wow. Whatever. Wow. Guessing I didn't go over it? Yeah. Oh well. I am surprised these survivors didn't want to farm at the beginning. I don't know, my internet seems to be fine. I don't think it's my internet. That's what I'm saying. It's the game. It's the frames of the game. Like, are these survivors okay? Are you okay? Like, really? Y'all are being very boring. I just don't get why they saw my my aura dancing and they all just kept playing like this. I just don't know. Really? Come on, silly. Really? She's body blocking me? Wow. I've never seen survivors be this toxic. Learn to have some fun, survivors. I just want my blood points. The worst squad I ran into was probably last night's group that kept swarming with flashlights and body blocking. It's just not necessarily. It's just not necessary. That's what I meant. You know, maybe have more fun with me during the game, and I would care more about that. Oh well. GG's. I hope they all have a very nice anniversary event. Dramaturgy. Oh, so she did have dramaturgy. That was cool. And she did have deception. She didn't get me there. A lot of bond. All 4 of them had bond. That's interesting. If everybody has bond, does bond become a base base perk? Base kit? Could you imagine bond as base kit? Got 3 to 4 flashlights, and I'm like, welp, I'm not gonna have fun. Aw, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, let me restart my game. Maybe that'll help my lag. Draco, I should have checked the perks the last group was using. Their survivors moved way faster than usual. One of my survivors had hope. Did you see that? Who runs hope in this day and age? Just kidding. Maybe they're encountering a lot of sweaty killers, because I have also heard that killers aren't being very nice. It's like killers are either tunneling and slugging at 4 gens, or they're farming. There is no in between. But also, hi Draco, how are you? If it was my internet, my bit rate on OBS would be dropping up, down, and left, right. Draco, did they nerf Xeno? His tail reach seems shorter than it should be. I haven't seen that. I haven't seen that anywhere, so I don't think so. Have you been playing it, or have you gone against Xenomorphs where you're like, wow, that didn't reach far at all? I wish I knew like how long it was. Like I can't be like, well, it was 5 meters and now it's 4.68 meters. No, like I don't know. Ooh, you've been maining Xeno lately. I love that. Goth, no, for real. Saw Michaela just zoom and I was like, she get her sneakers from Nike? You know she do. That's so funny. I only noticed the survivors moving fast when that buff happened with the speed boost. Yeah, mad respect. I love Xeno. And Xeno is difficult. I think I'll play a couple more and then call it an evening because I am tired. He handles similar to Demogorgon, but way more fun. Ooh, what makes it so fun? Or not so fun, but like what makes it more fun than Demogorgon? Is it the tail? Is it the flamethrowers? Hey, it's loading. I do really like Demogorgon's lunge. I really do. Poor misguided wanderers. First there were many, but now so few. When it connects, right? That's true. That's true. By the way, Witchling, I love you. Backdrop is so cute. Like, for real, love it. Aw, you like this? Thank you. It's my Funko Pops. My friend got me this sequin fabric from, like, Joann Fabrics. It is two-sided. It's like those kind of pillows. It's technically rainbow. But I really like the silver vibe. And now I'm a perfectionist and I need it to go back to being perfect. Anyways. And then over here is my moons. Let me just explain my whole background because you complimented it. That's a gay fan. I have two of them. I don't know where the other gay one is. Otherwise, I have this fan. It's too cold for that. And these are like my prized Funko Pops. Well, right here. Okay. You know what I need is a Funko Pop of a pug. Draco, you didn't even notice the moons there? Yeah. The funniest thing is that it's actually a pillow. It's like a body pillow, or like it's at least that long. It's very long. But it's like the moon phases, and it's like my favorite thing in my background. I got you, Witchling. Let me snoop around. Ooh, yes. If you find one, please send me the link. Link me up. They have to be. There has to be one. Frank the Pug. I love it. I need to watch Men in Black again. It has been too long. Also, I'm not playing Trapper. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted, Masquerade. Get it? But my most recent Funko Pop acquisition is an Umbreon. And it was a birthday present from Allie, one of the viewers, and one of the wonderful people that I've met recently. Oh, there's Agent Jay and Frank. Oh, I see. I could imagine that actually. And it's really special to me because my first dog's name was Umbreon, and I miss her dearly. Here we go. Also, Mr. Light. Draco says hi. Had to make sure Light got your message. You know what I don't think people mention enough? Is that these anniversary offerings give you 108% bonus points and it adds an extra chest to the game. I think that's real neat. By the way, since I'm horrible at it, Draco, is asking someone out to dinner as easy as, hey, want to go to dinner? Yes, and also I think if you are wanting it to be a date, you should make that a little more clear, but it could still be that easy of a phrasing. But like, so if they're 5 stacked, we get 5 extra chests. Exactly. Got him. Oh, he went over there. Like the way I would make it more specific in a date sense would literally be like, oh, hey, do you want to go on a dinner date? Or do you want to go to dinner on a date? Like, that's it. And of course, that's like if that's your relationship with them. If it's like somebody who loves to be romanced, I don't think that's the most romantic way to ask somebody out. Ooh, Goth, that's a good suggestion. Yeah, I hope that scared his poop off. Also, the way the lag is so much better.
You got tricked.
Not his name being Cowboy Anthrax. Get it? Trex. The remote hooks are... Okay, Goth, I thought so. I was like, hey, I would like to get to know you better. I wasn't gonna say anything, but I was gonna question it deeply internally. Oh, he has like no sense of romance. He's too used to men treating him like a piece of meat. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. And it just makes me laugh when you do things like that. Hi. I'm a-coming. Oh, I love it. I would totally like to get to know you better. I can't believe him. The betrayal, the betrayed. What? I went too far. Dearly beloved. That is so funny, Goth. Dear my beloved. Oh my god, stop. You're so funny. What? What's with me going too far? Well, that worked out. Ooh, he got some cake on that ace. Hi, Sophia. Oh, he whipped Nurse out, I see.
Ladies.
Nurse!
You know I'll whip Nurse out whenever I have to. Ooing. Let's see, where's David? I don't think David is who I've seen. There he is! Ah! Oh wait, no, I've seen David. I haven't seen Meg. Where's Meg? Meg. Every time you come, Draco, it's like I entice you to play killer and bring out the doctor, and I love it. Ooh, that. Oh, I love that, Goth. You're so funny. Let's see. Is that the Meg? Yes, it is! Free Baba. Free Iba. Ah! The way I screamed because, like, what the hell? She went to the basement. Oh, I love her. Well, Draco, at least as killer, you can kind of control the game a little bit more in terms of like fun and farming. Unlike that previous game where the survivors were like, well, we're here to party poop all over you. Where is this guy? Oh, he went for the save. Wow, he's being a hero. We got the grab!
Nurse!
Hell yeah! I love it. This is going really well for this map in particular. You know what I mean? No! Yeah. Ooh. Got him. I am slightly disappointed as well. No. Damn, he's a slippery piece of meat. Ooink. Damn you. I can't believe I didn't go through. Meg, get out of here. You're ugly. I don't want to look at you. You're ugly. Yes! Got him! Haha, sucker! Where'd he go? Oh, I love it. Why does my hand itch? Ah! I think I got him to second hook already, right? Ah! That scared me. I think I just need Meg. Where's Meg? Where's Megathan? There's nobody over there. Am I done with this challenge yet? Where's Meg? Meg. Also, I never understand why this doesn't have a longer cooldown. That aura reading perk. Megan isn't Meg's real name. It's Megatron. Exactly. Oh my god, you're the way that you are so right. Also, I've been mistaking people for having Scene Partner, and it's my perk, or my add-on, that be making people... I don't think you can go through that. That's not who I wanted. I wanted Meg. Oh well. Megatron. What's her middle name? Megatron? Optimus Prime? Thomas. I don't know why Optimus Prime just feels like it fits. Mr. Light's not even here. Megatron robot disguise. I love that. Thank you. That her full name. I love it. I love it, God. GG's, thank you. Are you sad that I don't own the pig? I should probably get the pig, right? I mean, I can't right now, but I think in general I should get the pig someday. Someday I'll be able to play the pig chapter. What was that? That was Little Mermaid. Wow, suddenly that thing doesn't want to work. Goth, I'm gonna disappear, but you have a lovely stream. Thank you. I hope you have a great night, Goth. Thank you for hanging out and for stopping in and for being lovely and for being so kind and for feeding me water. Because you know I do love the water. And I wouldn't drink it if it wasn't for you being there to remind me. Right? Right. Okay, let's see. Do I have him at 10? Yes, I do. Okay. I have the anniversary skin, right? Yeah, there we are. It's so cool. They popped off. And I did finally get Vecna to Prestige 3. So that's good. Fortunately, I have to level up Wraith now. Oh, he is on my bed. Must be that time of night. He's either too cold or I don't know. He just wanted to be more comfy. 5. Six, 7. Sheesh. What's sheesh? What are you sheeshing? Did you try Doctor and you're like, wow, these survivors are sweaty? Dear survivors, it was not that hot today. No need to be so sweaty. I knew it. I knew it. I'm sorry that was your match. I know the feeling. The last match was fun. Those survivors were fun. They understood that 2 hooks was the goal. Oh, still Xeno. Well, now maybe you should break out the Doctor and show them who's boss and tell them, you know what? I could play like this.
Don't worry. It will all be over soon.
You think she knows? I almost missed! I knew it! I wonder if she did that on purpose, actually. The way she jumped on that gen, she would have known. Well, I hope that's not the case, because that would be really mean of that Claudette. I saw you turn back time. At least, Draco, at least the other group realized I was trying to avoid tunneling when I kept running into the same survivor and avoided downing him repeatedly. Well, at least that. You're kinder than some killers. I'll say that. Eh. I don't like you. You were mean to me. Yay, I get one. At least. If I could turn back time. I'm a kalalalala. Ooh, yay, we got it done. Is that Michaela? It is Michaela, okay. And she got him before second hook. Also, did y'all hear about the changes to hooks that they're making? Where if a survivor dies on a hook, it will respawn after 60 seconds. Can you believe? Your turn, my ma'am. Mammy, mammy, ma'am. Ah, so close! So close. Oh my god, the twist, the turns. The twisty turns. Where are you? Okay. What? Who turned that Claudette into a box? Even though I'm chasing Kate. Did she really? She did! She did fall down in my salad. Who's been following? There's another survivor here. I want you over there. Not the venti. What? I meant to go through that tree and several other objects, to be honest. There's a Claudette over there. Hey. She's Miss Quiet. Miss Quiet? That's Mystique's sister. Get it? Have I hooked Kate yet? I feel like no. That got like distracted, right? Or maybe I did get her? I don't know. I hope she's not dead. Okay, good. I need Michaela? Or do I need Jake? I don't think it's Jake.
Oh, no, that wasn't you. Never you mind.
It's so hard to remember who's who. What if she's not on Death Hook? Well, that was not in the correct order. This was my grandmother's hook. There we go. That was the correct timing. Meow. Meow. Beep beep. Meow. Whoa. Hi, Hatch. Hi, Hatch. That's cool. Yay, we got that challenge done. I think I'm gonna play one more game, probably Survivor, and call it a night. Staying up all, like, I wish I had counted how many hours I was up yesterday. But taking my mom to her surgery yesterday was very taxing in terms of being tired and also just emotionally draining. So, I'm gonna call it an early night tonight. Draco, thankfully the challenges aren't too difficult. 100%. That's one thing they did correct this time around. Oh, what am I doing? Who's this Laurie Strode person? It's not happening. I think I was leveling up Laurie, that's why. Yeah, for the thingies. I want both of these things. No, I wanted that. Oh. OBS is lagging again, y'all. So if there's lag, it's not you. It's OBS. Also, anybody in chat, do y'all watch channel trailers? Do you prefer people have channel trailers, or do you prefer they didn't? What is the truth? Hi, Panda. How are you? How are you doing, Private Panda? You're the Fang? Well, good luck. I hope you have fun. I forgot to change off of Lori, so now we have to deal with her screaming. My bad.
Let's make this day memorable, shall we?
Good luck from Adam. What's spookin'? Thank you. Good luck to y'all too. I'm sorry. I don't think I brought an offering. Oh, I did. Thank goodness. Okay. Good luck, good luck, good luck, team. Oh, I did not notice that every single person in the team was a TTV. I love it. Ooh, he has the cosmetic. I love it. It looks so good. Oh my goodness! I can't do it. Oof, my butt. Must be time to stretch. Yes, don't forget to stretch, people. Especially if you're gaming. Stretch those legs every so often. What game was that? There was a Lord of the Rings game where you could play goblin spider riders and they would say, move those legs. Because, you know, they're riding spiders. And that's just neat. Haha, sucks for you. Oh my god, I have Sprint Burst? I also have Flashbang? Yeah. How did he not see? Yeah. When hiding in plain sight works. I love it. That is so funny. So funny. So funny. Cute, cute, cute. You're still here. Yeah, but this is my last game. I was literally just saying that because of yesterday, I'm just so exhausted, and I think I'm gonna call it early. But you also just missed me avoid the killer in such a funny way. I'm gonna hide here again and see if he finds me. Again! Again! Defeated by the... how's the party, yeah, pup? Also, thank you for the water redemptions, my love. I appreciate that. Should I go get a flashbang? Oh, Feng, I wish I had head on. I tried. Yeah, pup. I got way too overwhelmed and left early. Well, I'm glad you left early if that was your vibe. Definitely don't stay if you're feeling overwhelmed. No party is worth that. This guy is blind, and it's only because he doesn't look in a detailed enough way. Yeah, pup, I thought I was doing fine until I stepped outside a moment and went back in, and I felt like everything caved in around you. Oh no. Well, I'm glad you got out of Dodge, because your party was literally called Dodge. Duh. So I left home now. Well, I'm glad you're home. I hope you're vibing. You should rewatch the beginning of the VOD so that you can see us rating the killer terror radiuses. No, the killer chase music. And if you like what you hear... Wait, no, that's not what I was going to say. Why did I say that? If you want to participate, there is a link you can use for the same tiering thingy we did. Otherwise, forget everything I just said and forget about it. I hope you have a lovely, chill evening now that you're home. We're almost ready. Bam.
Got an idea. Wait. Sorry. Scratch that.
Got the flashbang. Hee, I'm evil. Oh, I forgot about the Insta. I was like, oh, he's totally gonna turn around and he's gonna look right at it. Do you think I can stun him with it? No. Mad Carrie, hello! Glad I could catch the stream again. Hi! I'm so glad you made it. I'm sad that it's my last game of the night, but I'm still glad you made it! Because this game is really fun. Uh-oh! Missed. Oh, well, didn't miss that time. But we're against Vecna. Oh my god, they have the unbreakable boon. RIP! Of course it's the end, right? I'm so sorry. I literally had such a long day yesterday. I took my mom to a surgery, and it was so early in the morning that I decided to just stay up to make sure I didn't, like, sleep through my alarm or anything. I can't believe we just got Boon Exponential value. Yeah, so, like, I was up so much yesterday, and it was very stressful, and so today I'm just pretty tired and out of it, so I'm ending a little earlier than I would have liked. However, I do stream tomorrow if you're around. Maybe we can hang out again. But I hope you're well. I hope you're having a good weekend. Understandable, and definitely will be around tomorrow. Oh, I'm so excited. Have you been playing much of the event? Or is DBD not what you play? Tomorrow before church or after? Church! Take me to church. Probably after church because it's gonna be the same time, like 8 p.m., 7 p.m. if I can muster it. Ooh. No, let me in. It goes too fast. It's to me. Wow, getting the Vecna item right at the end. Lame. Bye, Vecna. I love you. Nah, I had my boyfriend around. Not gonna play while he's home. Gotcha. Well, you have to take advantage of the event at some point. Get those points. Light. Oh, he is out. Like, he is dead to the world. So I'm gonna say goodnight. Unfortunately, Mr. Light won't be joining me. Might play some tomorrow for real. You should. Absolutely. You absolutely should. Join me.
Marshmallow in the house. Now put a bird.
Oh my goodness. Private Panda, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate you. That game was really fun. I felt so bad for the Vecna not seeing me like 16 times. Good night, Draco. Good night, Carrie. Thank y'all for hanging out for a while. Have a good night. You too, Panda. If you're still playing games, please have good ones. Have good luck. And get those blood points. Yes. Yum, yum, yum. Your makeup is stellar, by the way. Thank you. Since you're new, let me let you know that I'm doing rainbow makeup, like eyebrows, throughout the month or whatever. And I'm going in order now backwards. And so I'm doing like purple eyebrows, then I'm doing blue, green, so on. And then when I get to the beginning, it's going to be rainbow eyebrows again and like rainbow eye makeup. So stay tuned. My next stream is tomorrow. Hopefully y'all can stop by, have some fun, hang out. If anybody would like to join, feel free to join the Discord so you don't miss when I go live. But feel free to not join because I know it can be very overwhelming to have like 50 million Discords going on. Anyways, y'all have a good night. Thank you so much for hanging out and for supporting me. You all are amazing. Panda sounds super cute. Thank you. I hope you get to see some more of it. And thank you for the follow and for being so kind and stopping in. I do hope you have good games, okay? For now, I'm gonna say goodnight, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.
Ladies.